मई के करंट अफेयर करेंगे, 28 मई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहला करंट अफेयर, एनुअल एवरेज ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर इज सेट टू रीच डैश अबव प्री इंडस्ट्रियल लेवल इन वन ऑफ द ईयर्स बिटवीन 2021 to 25। ऐसा कहना है, एज पर द एनुअल क्लाइमेट अपडेट रिलीज बाय वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड डैश मेट ऑफिस। तो एनुअल एवरेज ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर इज सेट टू रीच, कितना पहुंच जाने वाला है? तो 1.5 डिग्री पहुंचने वाला है। 1.5 डिग्री above pre-industrial level in one of the years between 2021 to 25 as per the annual climate update released by World Meteorological Organization and United Kingdom Met Office। तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा UK और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 1.5 डिग्री। Let's move to the next current affair. We will read about it. According to the annual climate update provided by United Kingdom Met Office, World Meteorological Organization, there is 40% possibility of the annual average global temperature reaching 1.5 degree centigrade या फिर 2.7 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट above pre-industrial level in one of the next 5 years, that is 2021 to 2025. In the 2015 Paris Agreement, global leaders committed to limit global warming to 1.5 degree centigrade and 2 degree centigrade by the end of the century. So अब जो है एवरेज ग्लोबल टेम्परेचर वो 1.5 डिग्री तक पहुंच जाने वाला है 2021 से 2025 के बीच में, ऐसा कहना है यूनाइटेड किंगडम के मेट ऑफिस और वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का। बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट करंट अफेयर की ओर। इन मई 2021 4 यूनाइटेड बॉडीज फॉर्म्ड अ टीम ऑफ एक्सपर्ट अंडर वन हेल्थ हाई लेवल एक्सपर्ट पैनल आइडेंटिफाई एंड दैट आर करेक्ट रिलेटेड टू इनिशिएटिव। तो इसमें केवल 20 सही है। The panel will develop framework to prevent and prepare for zoonotic outbreak in like COVID-19. 4 United Nations bodies, that is World Organization (WHO), the United Nations Environmental Programme (UNEP), the World Organization for Animal Health (OIE), and the Food and Agriculture Organization formed a team of expert under one expert panel to prevent global plan of action to prevent the spread of disease from animals to human. The panel will develop framework and establish good practice to prevent and prepare for zoonotic outbreak disease like Zika, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, Ebola, COVID-19, etc. The One Health High Level Expert Panel initiative was proposed by Germany and France in 2020 at the outbreak of COVID-19. Let's move to the next current affair. Which organization announced to include risk related to climate change, inequality and demography in economic assessment? So which organization in May 2021 to include risk related to climate change, inequality and demography in economic assessment? economic assessment में इनको include करने वाली जो संस्था है वो है इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड IMF। In May 2021, the International Monetary Fund plans to update the way it conducts economic assessment to report the risk related to climate change, inequality demographics, as well as evolving digital technologies. About IMF was established in 1944, headquarter Washington DC, United States, and managing director Kristalina Georgieva. Let's move to the next current affair. who won 2021 Princess of Asturias Princess of Asturias Award, the top award of Spain under social science category. So under social science category, who won Princess of Asturias Award? So this award is won by Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen, Princess of Asturias, Princess of Asturias Award, the top award of Spain under social science category. So Amartya Sen, Indian economist and Nobel laureate Amartya Sen won Spain's top award, Princess of Asturias Award 2021 under the social science category. The jury announced the list of 2021 laureates over the virtual platform. He won the Nobel in Economics in 1998 for his contribution to welfare economics. Amartya Sen ने यह award जीत. Let's move to the next current affair. Who was honored with the International Hockey Federation President's Award? So International Hockey Federation President's Award is won by V. Karthikeyan Pandyan. V.K. Pandyan या V. Karthikeyan Pandyan. IAS officer V. Karthikeyan Pandyan, the private secretary to Naveen Patnaik, CM of Odisha, honored with the President's Award 2021 by International Hockey Federation for promotion of hockey in Odisha. Let's move to the next current affair. In May 2021, Yuan Longping, the father of hybrid rice, passed away. Which country does belong to? So the father of hybrid rice is Yuan Longping, and he belongs to China. The Chinese agriculture scientist Yuan Longping, also known as the father of hybrid rice, has passed away. He developed the first hybrid rice varieties Non-Yuno 2. Non-Yuno is the hybrid variety of rice, the first hybrid variety of rice which transformed China into grain surplus country. In 2004, he was honored with the World Food Prize. Let's move to the next current affair. In May 2021, fighter H.S. Doraiswamy passed away. What was the newspaper on him? So H.S. Doraiswamy, the freedom fighter H.S. Doraiswamy, passed away, and he ran newspaper Pauravani newspaper is run by Pauravani. In May 2021, freedom fighter, journalist, social worker, sanitarian H.S. Doraiswamy passed away at the age of 104. He ran publication house Sahitya Mandira and the Indian nationalist newspaper Pauravani that voiced the aspiration of independent India. Let's move to current affair. Who authored the book Indian Asian Geopolitics, the Past, Present? So Indian and Asian Geopolitics, the Past, Present. This book is written by Shiv Shankar Menon. A new book titled India and Asian Geopolitics, the Past, Present has been released